Bitcoin sinks below $23,000, Ether floats above $1,600. E-Rupee to be piloted by 5 more banks in 9 more cities soon. Tron blockchain commits $100 million in grant to AI-focused projects. Robinhood wants to buy its shares back from Sam Bankman-Fried. Trust Wallet responds to $4 million social engineering hack. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. After gaining positive momentum in the past few days, cryptocurrency markets plummeted on the prospects of further rate hikes signaled by Fed officials post-FOMC meet. Bitcoin dropped below the $23,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2.2% at 32,950 points. In another interesting news, the allegations made against WazirX by the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, were false and unsubstantiated, according to the Indian Cryptocurrency Exchange. The exchange was also taking steps to protect its legal rights, according to the statement. Binance's allegations in their blog are false and unsubstantiated. Concerning Binance's actions, necessary steps have been taken to seek redress and protect our legal rights, it was stated in a blog post. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization traded at $1.06 trillion, a decrease of 2% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume increased by 7% to stand at $65.3 billion. Meanwhile, Robinhood has approved a plan to buy up to 55 million shares bought by Sam Bankman-Fried last year. The retail brokerage is working with the Department of Justice, which seized the shares in January to facilitate the move. According to a January 20 filing by the DOJ, Bankman-Fried held 55,273,469 Robinhood shares, over 7% of the company's outstanding shares. As of Wednesday's close, that stake is valued at over $578 million. The Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, has said that more interest rate hikes will be needed to cool inflation and the red-hot US jobs market. However, Powell said he expects inflation will cool but at a gradual pace. Stock futures rose as investors took in more big corporate earnings report. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 204 points or 0.6%. S&P 500 futures added 0.67% and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.89%. Bitcoin was trading at $22,710, down 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.3%, trading at $1,633. BNB was down by 2.6% to trade at $322. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 3.5% and was trading at $22.8. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $19.8, lower by 3.8%. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.4% to trade at $0.38. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.6% at $0.088.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. 5 more banks will join the pilot on the central bank digital currency or E-Rupee for retail customers, and the project will be extended to 9 additional cities, the Reserve Bank said on Wednesday. The Reserve Bank, which began piloting the central bank digital currency or E-Rupee for retail customers in early December with 8 banks in 5 cities, stressed that it does not want to rush with it but favors a slow and steady adoption. The retail CBDC is available for only 50,000 users now, and of them 5,000 are merchants. The service is being offered on invitation basis by 8 banks across 5 cities now. Deputy Governor T. Ravi Shankar told reporters on Wednesday at the customary post-policy presser. The Tron blockchain has committed over $100 million to teams utilizing artificial intelligence within their blockchain applications as the technology gains steam among investors. The initiative aims to support developers researching the use of AI, which attempts to simulate human intelligence in machines in applications built on the blockchain by utilizing tools like ChatGPT, a chatbot created by OpenAI, both in the back end and front end of development. These teams can apply for grants from the Tron Artificial Intelligence Development Fund. Key areas identified by Tron are the use of AI for payments and e-commerce, currency settlement, data management, market and investment analysis, and content generation. AI integration in smart contract development will allow for more intelligently and effectively created, deployed, and executed smart contracts, Tron founder H.E. Justin Sun tweeted earlier this week. Robinhood Markets said Wednesday that it would try to buy back shares purchased by former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, as his 7.6% stake in the company remains a contested factor in both Bankman-Fried's criminal case and the defunct exchange bankruptcy. The purchase would remove a distraction for shareholders, company CEO Vlad Tenev said on an earnings call with investors and analysts. He added that the purchase of roughly 55 million shares had already been approved by the company's board of directors. Shares of Robinhood popped following the announcement, up over 5% to around $11 in after-hours trading. While the company is working with the Department of Justice, Robinhood did not put forth a timeline for when the purchase may be complete. Meanwhile, Robinhood saw transaction revenue fall in the fourth quarter from the previous period, including a 24% decline in cryptocurrencies, while a slew of other numbers also took a turn lower. Crypto transaction revenue dropped to $39 million in the fourth quarter, missing the $51 million estimate of analysts compiled by FactSet. The company posted a net loss of $166 million, which was wider than the estimate for a $131 million loss. Binance-owned Trust Wallet responds to a social engineering attack that saw a Metaverse startup lose $4 million in a face-to-face social engineering scam. Trust Wallet said that an organized crime syndicate from Rome, Italy used some engineering methods to steal $4 million worth of USDC from a Trust Wallet belonging to Web3 startup Metaverse. According to the wallet vendor, the criminal persuaded the victim to transfer funds from a multi-sig trust wallet to a single trust wallet. A multi-sig wallet requires more than one private key to sign transactions. Before the victim transferred the funds, the criminal gave them an electronic version of a non-disclosure agreement and fake Know Your Customer information. Trust Wallet suspects that the fake NDA contains malware necessary to steal the money. After the victim transferred the money, the criminal took a picture of the wallet to confirm the transfer. He then disappeared with the victim's crypto. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
The Chiliz blockchain and its CHZ cryptocurrency, designed for the entertainment and sports industries, announced the launch of the Chiliz Chain 2.0 mainnet today. Chiliz CEO Alexandre Dreyfus announced the launch on Twitter. Chiliz 2.0, the new EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain, generated its Genesis block. Following the announcement, the price of CHZ, the native token, increased by 7.06% and it is now trading at $0.157. The CEO stated that with launch of new chain, more Web3 developers and brands would join Chiliz to build on its new blockchain and gain access to its Web3 infrastructure, entertainment, and sports network. According to a press release, Chiliz Chain 2.0 is set to accelerate the creation of fan tokens and enable brands and clubs to issue them, mint NFTs and other DeFi products such as play-to-earn crypto games and merchandise certificates. Despite this development, CHZ was trading at $0.1501, down 8.83% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 million. Shiba Inu SHIB has risen 26% in the last 7 days as a result of positive reaction to the Shibarium announcement. This represents an increase of more than 80% since the beginning of the year, far outperforming its main competitor, DogeCoin. The general recovery of the crypto market in 2023 played a significant role in the Shiba Inu pump, but it was the impending release of Shibarium that pushed the meme coin over the edge. Last week, Shiba Inu's lead developer Satoshi Kusama confirmed that the development of a new Layer 2 blockchain is on track, adding fuel to the Shiba Inu's explosion. Despite the meme coin's remarkable development, Shiba was trading 6.60%, down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 billion. PancakeSwap is launching its product suite on the Aptos network with its first initial farm offering scheduled for February 9. Through the sale of its Move governance token, the IFO hopes to raise $400,000 for the Blue Move NFT marketplace. Participants in the Blue Move IFO, unlike IFOs on BNB chain, are not required to stake or lock cake. Instead, they must hold cake on Aptos and commit their tokens to the sale. PancakeSwap uses the overflow allocation method, which means that if the IFO is oversubscribed, users will receive the percentage of the supply they committed to purchasing as well as the relevant cake refund. Upon the Move token generation event, 40% of the tokens will be unlocked, with the remaining 60% unlocked over 3 months. The 10 million move in the IFO represents 3.33% of the total token supply. As part of the IFO, PancakeSwap is hosting a year-long Move Serap pool and a 120-day Move apt farm. Cake was trading at $4.59, up 1.03% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 million.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.